look at what we're going to use. A t-shirt. So grab your t-shirt, make sure and shake it out good to get it really flat and nice, and and keep it down like this. Now we're going to cut off this part here, and we're going to cut a section here. Now the measurements for this are the length of your t-shirt. Make sure it's at least 50. This is a 15-inch ruler, so I know this is a really good size. 15 to 18 inches is good, sometimes 20 inches. So what you're doing is you're measuring at the 6-inch mark here and the 1 inch, right? And note that I have 1 inch here. So I'm going to go on this side, you know how I do it, and put the 7 inches down here, mark the 6-inch and mark the 1 inch. So now we make a line from this one to this one, a very light line. It's fabric we're working with, so it's not that easy to make a line. And up here, right? And then we're going to join to the end now, making sure the line is on the same make sure it's straight, right? Now what we're going to do is we're going to measure up another inch, put one in the middle since we have that inch measured already, and one here, and we're going to measure another inch and make a line, and then go again, right? So you're cutting on all these lines. So let's put these aside and let's start with one of our masks. So let's start with this one. We're going to take one of these, we're going to cut off and make it long. And we're going to take this and we're going to stretch it. Look at that. Look at that. What does that look like to you? Yes, exactly. That looks just like elastic. So we've just made a huge long piece of elastic. So remember we made one first. So this is actually a 3-layer mask, because when you think you have the part in front, the piece, then the piece you fold over, then there's another piece that you fold over, right? So you're gonna put this on your face like this. Put this over your head. That is awesome. So that was a neat, you saw what I was doing, I was fixing so you could fold in the top so it looks like a perfect seam, fold in the bottom and tie it. You don't hurt your ears, nothing. So for these now, these are the ones you can put around your ears if you don't mind it, or if you have hair that you don't want to mess up, you know. So you take these like this, you tie it in a knot. So you know how to tie a knot? You pass it, then you pass it through, and you pull it and make sure it goes to the end as much as you can. And then you do the same thing with the other side. You take it, pull it, tie a knot. Right. Now you're going to pass these big knots on the inside of the mask. And now I'm going to try this one on. This one was really awesome as well. And it's just simple. You get 3-layer masks here. Once again, you could unfold this, put something on the inside as a filter if you'd like to. I personally prefer this one, where it's the one you fold over, but the sleeve work as well. It worked, and it's a lot less cutting, I guess. Okay, so 3 masks, 1 t-shirt.